So today we are going to see how to generate tables. Most of us have found difficult in remembering the tables when we were kid. Today we will see how to make creation of table easy using Vedic mathematics. So what we will do, we will start with table of 12. Now in Vedic maths, you have to remember the table of only unit number. Now in this particular case of 12, we will just first write the table of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So I will just write 0 here. 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and again 2 tens are 20. So I will write 0. So after writing only the unit numbers, now what we will do, we will apply a simple formula. Now here we are going to generate the table for number 12. Now in the 10th place we see there is 1. So the formula is like this, that when, just see in the unit place, if the number is increasing, for example here it is 2, here it is 4, so 4 is more than 2, here it is 6, 6 is more than 4. So if the number in the unit place is increasing, then you have to add 1 only. For example, we will start with 1. Now for all subsequent number, either we are going to add this 1 or we are going to add 2, that is 1 more than this. Now when to add 1 and when to add 2, we will see here. Now in this case, our first number is 12, and we will see that now the next number 4 in the unit place is more than 2, so we will add only 1 to the original 1. So we will get 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 12 twos are 24. Now we will see what will be 12 threes are. Now here again we will see that 6 is more than 4. So we will add again the same one in the 2 now. So this will become 3. So 12 threes are 36. Now for the fourth number we see that 8 is more than 6. So again we will add the same one to this previous, that is 3. So 3 plus 1 becomes 4. Now for the fifth number we will see that 0 is less than 8. So here instead of adding only 1 to the 4, we will add 1 more than this, that is 2. So we will add 2 to this 4. So our answer becomes 6. So 12 5s are 60. Now again you see from 0 to 2, 2 is more. So we will add again the same one here in the 6 for getting the next number. So 6 plus 1, 7. So 12 6 are 72. For 7, we will see that again 4 is more than 2. So add 1 to this becomes 8. Again we see that 6 is more than 4. So add 1 to this, becomes 9. Again 8 is more than 6. So add 1 to this, so it becomes 10. Here again 0 is less than 8. So instead of adding 1 to this, we will add 2, that is 10 plus 2. So our answer becomes 120. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 tens are 12 nines are 108, and 12 tens are 120. So if you want to generate the table instead of 12, you want to generate it, let's say, for 32. So in this case the unit number will remain same, because in the unit place it is 2. So you just write 2 on the 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, like that. Now in case of 32, your first number is 3. So in the subsequent number, you are going to add either 3 or you are going to add one more than 3, that is 4. So let's see where we are going to add 3 and where we are going to add 4. In this particular case, you see that 4 is more than 2, so we are going to add 3 in the previous 3, that is 3 plus 3, 6. Again you see 6 is more than 4, so again I will add 3 to the previous 6, so it becomes 9. Now I will see that for 32 fours are, now in this case 8 is more than 6, so again I will add the same 3 in this 9, so my answer will become 12. So 32 fours are 128. Now here I will see that for the fifth number I will see that 0 is less than 8. So in this particular case this 0 is less, so instead of adding 3 to this 12, I will add the next consecutive digit, that is 4, to this 12. So 12 plus 4 becomes 60. So 32 5s are 160. Now again from this number onward up to this, you can see that the numbers are simply increasing. So I will keep on adding 3 to the previous number. So 16 plus 3 becomes 19. 19 plus 3 becomes 22. 22 plus 3 becomes 25. 25 plus 3 becomes 28. And in this particular case, because 0 is less than 8, instead of adding 3 to this 28, I will add 4. So this will become 3 to 0. So you can see 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64, 32 threes are 96, and like that 32 tens are 320. I hope you must have find this very interesting, and you can now try for other numbers like 23, 34 or whatever number which you want using the same technique. Thank you very much.